What's up, workout team? This is a really quick, informative video. If you are a beginner and hold a membership at Planet Fitness, I recommend you utilize their 30-minute workout area. Each machine targets a different body part, and you can get a good full body workout from this area as well. This area also has step boxes to incorporate some form of cardio, which I definitely recommend. Tiffany, how would you know it's 30 minutes? Well, they also have these green and red light indicators letting you know when to start an exercise and when to stop and take a rest.